Morning everyone!
Morning folks!
Well, we're off on another trip.
We are.
We're off to Kettleby Lakes, which is in Leicestershire.
This is our third, it will be our third visit.
Yes, it only takes us about an hour to get there.
Yeah, about an hour and 20.
Yeah, there's 7 lakes there to walk around or fish on if you like fishing.
Yeah, plenty of dog walks.
Yeah, and there's a clubhouse.
Yeah.
And Archie loved it the last time. There he is. There's Archie.
Those dog walks, Archie. Looking forward to that.
Up. Thought it was going to rain this weekend, but the weather forecast has changed, hasn't it? And
It's
I
going
think
to be
it's
a
going
nice
to be,
weekend.
Yeah, really nice. So this weekend we're taking the awning. We're going to try and put it up, aren't we? First time this year.
It is first time this year. Yeah.
So we're there for 3 nights.
Yeah.
So we'll see you when we get a bit nearer.
Okay.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through and through.
Hello there. Because it's so busy in the car park, I thought we'd do a digital check-in. It's Julie Gallivanting. That's right. That's right. Yes. Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye.
Done.
You and I can weather any storm. You and I, we got it. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more.
Well, we've arrived at Kettleby Lakes, and this is our pitch. There's our van. We've got all this room here, and we're on a fully serviced pitch. And then we've got this side, which is for our awning. There's Tony in the background. Archie is just there.
He's in the shade.
It's absolutely roasting, isn't it?
I know.
And we've got all this grassed area here, which is fun to run around on for Archie.
Now we chose this pitch when we were here last year. We were on pitch 85.
Yes,
which
we
is
were on
there.
this pitch here next door.
And we noticed pitch 84. We thought that's where we want to be.
Yeah.
So that's what we booked. So anybody who wants to come to Kettleby Lakes, I would recommend pitch 84 on the south side.
Yeah, because it's very secluded. You've got hedges all round,
Secluded.
all this grass,
Yeah.
a big pitch, and a nice gravelled area for your awning, which we are putting up for the first time this year.
We are.
There's a little lake through there. See some geese round it. But we'll show you around later. Over here, there's a walkway round. Look like that. I think it's a lady there walking around with a dog.
It's a nice little secluded.
Yeah. And over here, it's just a grassed area.
Yeah.
Nobody pitches on that. It's just a garden, isn't it? And then we've got fully serviced. So we've got a drainage here from the waste, and our water is on this pillar just here.
Oh, we've got 2 taps.
And
You can take your pick.
oh yeah, 2 taps.
Yeah.
And then there's the electric. Here you see he can be on the whole length of his lead, his extra long lead, because there's nobody, you're not interfering with anybody here, are we?
No.
So you can have a good wander around, can't you, Arch? But it is very, very hot, isn't it?
Well, we're not used to it. It's only 20 degrees, but...
Yeah, but it is roasting. There's no breeze, is there, either? I mean, look at the sky and the sun. Lovely. Just set up the van with the awning. Taking Archie a walk up to his favourite field.
Come on, Archie. Went to your favourite dog walk. Yes, it's quite a busy site at the minute, isn't it?
Yeah.
There's a lot of caravans and motorhomes this time last year.
Couldn't believe it when we got onto the site, because normally, you know, there's quite a few pictures empty, but every one seems full. Archie's panting a bit though, and he's not done anything. It is warm. He's just been lazing about the van, haven't you, Arch?
I'll let you off, and I want you to run 10 times round this field.
Oh yeah, there he goes.
That's your exercise.
There's a big wind turbine there, look.
Yeah, it's not much wind, so it's not turning.
Plenty of dog bins around. There's one at the entrance, and there's one at the exit or entrance, whichever which way you're coming in or out. Lots of daisies. Here he comes.
There he goes.
Come on. Good boy. Archie, come here. We don't want you in the mud. Come on. We don't want mud in the van. That's for sure. I mean, we had a lot of rain the last 2 days, haven't we?
Does that mean adult dogs only? Last year, look, the solar.
Oh yes, there's solar panels there.
Yeah.
They weren't there last year.
No. So that's another addition.
Like we've got some wheat maybe growing here.
Yeah.
Last year, if you remember, if you've watched our last video on Kettleby Lakes, in this hedge there's a gap here.
Oh yeah.
And we found yeah, like a den of some description, and it was a bit spooky, wasn't it? Let's go and have another look. Archie, come on. Oh, it's a bit spooky. There was like a drum thing here, wasn't there?
Yeah.
On a stand.
With some pallets.
Deep water. There's no water here, is there? It doesn't look like there is. And lots of pallets. Yeah. And some old fencing.
Yeah.
No, it's all been cleared away, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's nice and cool in here though. Isn't it, Archie? Nice and cool. Let's go back out then. Let's see what we can find. We saw this guy, didn't we, last year on the road as we were coming into Kettleby Lakes.
Strange looking.
Yeah, and he got no shoes on his feet. He just got bare feet. And he was walking all over. Maybe you should put him on his lead. There's a big van coming. He was walking all over the road, wasn't he?
As if he were drunk.
Yeah. And he looked a bit strange. I wonder if we kept thinking, I wonder if he lives in there. This is the North Sights dog walk, and it goes round in a circle with lots of trees in the middle. This is quite nice, isn't it? But we thought we'd better keep Archie on his lead because he gets a bit scared of machinery. Yeah, so tomorrow when we've had our breakfast, I think we might go up to the clubhouse to have breakfast. We will take you around the lakes. Morning, everybody.
Morning, folks.
We just are getting ready to go up for breakfast at the clubhouse. And I'm just cleaning my glasses. I'll just get them back on, then I can see you all.
Yeah, we've booked it for 10:45.
Yes, it's nearly the last serving, so we've got to get off now.
So you could call it brunch, I suppose.
Yeah, brunch, I suppose. We've had a lazy morning, haven't we? We've just got up. I've had a shower. We've just potted about.
Archie's down there chilling. Yeah. And
so, excuse the towels on the chairs.
It's a beautiful morning. Yeah, look at that. The sun is shining. Yeah, the awning is up. And we're on a really nice pitch. Look at all this space. A 10-minute walk up to the little restaurant. Call it Club House, where they serve breakfasts, lunches, afternoon teas, and beer up to around about 9 or 10 o'clock. Yeah, it's one of our favourite places, Kettleby Lakes, and you can see why. All ready?
Yeah, ready. I thought I'd better have my sunglasses on because it's a bit bright.
Yes, so we're going to have a walk this way. And our van is just there in the distance. And the little fishing lake up ahead. So it all seems very spaced out. That was a really nice breakfast, that. Very tasty.
Not much left, is there? Just remnants. Archie's been very good. He's lying down there. Just see his bum. There's a little lake there, just over that grass verge. And that's the other side. You've been a good boy, haven't you, Archie?
Well, there's our van. Oh, and there's Julie. Must have heard me, popped her head up. Hello. And this is the path to the dog walk. I've just walked from that direction, where the little fishing lake is, and the dog walk is up there towards the windmill. And here we are on our nice little pitch, and we're all full up after our lovely breakfast. Whew. Hi Arch.
We're just going to put some chips in our air fryer. We've not actually spoke about it, have we? So we thought we'd just show you what our air fryer is. It's a tower. We have actually got the same model at home, haven't we? Except the one at home is 4 litres. Yeah, yes. It's 4 litres. This one is 1.5. Yeah. And it's got a tiny little tray. I mean, it may look bigger on the screen, I'm not sure, but it's a tiny little tray. It's big enough to put chips in it, isn't it, or fries, or jacket potatoes, or anything really.
You could do 2 jacket potatoes in there, or enough fries. I mean, we did make enough fries for 4 people.
In there. I mean, you could put salmon in it, couldn't you?
Yeah, could do.
We've done that before. So it's quite handy for the van.
Yeah.
If you wanted to do a few chips.
Only stands about a foot, so it's
fairly
light as a feather.
Yeah, light. So it's not too big at all, is it? I mean, once we've used it, we put it back. You know, we don't leave it on the surface, we put it away. Yeah. But we thought we'd just show you that tonight, so we're going to put some chips in it in a minute.
So it's got a timer up to 30 minutes, and the temperature goes from 80 to 200.
Yeah.
Which is probably standard.
So what would we put it on for these
200.
Chips?
There's a little, look, up here. Chips, frozen chips, 200 degrees. Done in 18 to 20 minutes. So you can do cakes, fish, 15 to 20 minutes at 200. Steak, chicken, prawns.
Seafood.
Yeah.
Seafood.
Seafood.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And Archie's crunching in the background. Excuse the shoes on the floor and excuse the mess lot, because he is just having his tea and he has to take it out of his bowl to eat.
Make a mess.
Yeah. So anyway, Tony's going to put some chips on in a minute, so I'll come back. We've got the chips here. Yeah. They're frozen, obviously. The fries, aren't they? A bit like McDonald's. Yeah. Fries. We usually get these actually for Belle, don't we? She likes fries. Yeah. But the hand... Oh gosh, Archie's having a chip.
A frozen chip. Was that tasty?
Still on the floor. Yeah. So we just put enough in there for 2 of us.
Yeah. So you just fancied ham, egg and chips?
Yes, I fancied ham, egg and chips tonight. So
that's what we're having?
Yeah. I think that'll do, won't it? Gosh, that nearly went on the floor as well. Good gracious, what's happening?
So let's have a look. Timer on to 20 minutes. There's the arrow, 200
degrees. So I'll come back to you when they're done to show you what they look like. Oh, the chips are done.
There we go, look at that.
Right, so we've got ham, egg and chips.
Yeah. Beans would have been nice, but never mind.
I'm not really bothered about beans tonight. Archie's had his dinner. So it's just a quick dinner tonight. I think tomorrow we're going to have a walk into the village of Is it Dalby?
Great Dalby.
Great Dalby. And we'll find a pub down there, won't we, for something to eat.
That sounds good.
Anyway, I'm just going to eat my dinner now. See you shortly. Bye.
Yum yum.